Hey y'all, welcome! I'm so excited that you've joined me for the week 3 recap of the One Room Challenge. Let's get into it. So with the beams this week, we got them a little bit closer to be ready to prime them. We filled in the gaps with some foam, filled it in, let it dry, used a X-Acto knife, cut off the excess, and then once that was done, went in and caulked all of the sides of the beam. And then with the holes, we went in with some like heavy duty spackle and filled those holes. They still need to be sanded, and then they should be ready to get some primer on them. Okay friends, this week with the arch, I finally got the edges of the arch where I wanted them to be. And I'm gonna still do another coat and sanding, but I got super cold. So I need to wait for it to dry a little bit more, but loving the shape and where it's at, and just using the vinyl mesh tape around the corners worked really well to give a clean line on the edge. So exciting. Arch number 2 is up. Going through the process the first time made getting the second one up a lot easier. And I'm feeling really good about the shape underneath. Just again, waiting for the weather to heat up a little bit to start finishing it. But we've got the base of 2 arches in here, which is awesome. Okay. With the floor, we took some first attempts to try to get the tile out. It's very securely in, is what we found out. Tried to just take a hammer, break it up, and then chisel it out, but it's in there, friends. It is in there. So we ordered a tool, a hammer drill, but it wasn't actually the right type of hammer drill. So we've ordered another tool that's coming tomorrow, and hopefully we can start some true demo on this ground. With the windows, we are gonna take these silver frames and I will spray paint them black just to modernize it, clean it up, give it a better look. And so we spent some time taping them up together, and I'm still trying to figure out if I'm gonna spray paint this outer edge or not, because this last window over here doesn't have it showing, so it's the rogue window that is once again causing a little bit of issues in figuring out the design. So once I do that and it warms up a little bit, we will go after spray painting them. I am partnering with Claire Paint for this project. I'm so excited. They are a Black-owned company, woman-owned, just disrupting the industry, the paint industry, and they have beautiful paint that does paint and primer in one. Everybody that I see using it is getting their jobs done in one coat, which we can use a little speed up in this process. So just very excited to get the samples in and choose a color for the ceiling that's gonna be a deep color, and then the walls some type of white. In some ways, I was hoping to get more done with this project this week. The weather kind of threw a curveball in the process, just with the things that need to go on, drying times, making sure they don't freeze, all the things. But I'm very hopeful for this next coming week to make some big progress and start to get things finished. Really appreciate you joining me for the week 3 recap. I'm looking forward to week 4. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, where I give those day-to-day updates and stories. And please like, share, and subscribe, especially if you're liking this process of the ORC Challenge. Be sure to dwell aware out there.